until now, please subscribe down below. My channel, it's about life, about 21st century international nomad lifestyle. Join me and we'll have great experiences to enrich our knowledge. We'll explore traditions and habits in different corners of the world, and we'll find best places where to feel alive. Let's see here. Olango Island. The ecosystem here, 37 species of mangroves, 433 hectares, 7 species of seagrasses covering 649 hectares. Hello, for Marine Sanctuary?
Marine, you here for bird watching?
No, for I want to swim and do the snorkeling.
No.
Here the San Vicence Marine Sanctuary. Wow. Here. Yes. What is this?
What do you want, sir?
Let's see. The problem is that it's low tide, so no much water. Let's see, this is walking board here in Olango Island, famous walking board, half a kilometer. See the mangroves, see, this is a special ecosystem. See this kind of mangroves. I saw something similar in Indonesia. This is an ecosystem for tropical regions, mangroves near the sea. Wow.
take a video.
This island not really much to do, right?
Yeah.
Right? Thank you so much.
Welcome.
So it's low tide now, but it seems that in few hours possible to be higher tide. Let's see the ecosystem here. This is Marine Sanctuary, Olango Island, Cebu, Philippines. I think Lapu-Lapu actually, Philippines, but near Cebu City. Ooh, hello, sir.
Hello, you can go first.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
He is afraid?
Yes.
Let's see. We were lucky to do some snorkeling here. This bridge, wooden bridge, very old, I think. But this is very long, like half a kilometer, 500 meters bridge. And here, see, it's floating bridge. Olango Island Marine Sanctuary. The water very, very clear. I come back here in 1 hour when the high tide will be almost here. In 2 hours they told that it's high tide. So let's not lose the time. I will come back. No problem for me. So this is what you can do in Olango Island to see the mangroves. And you have also some birds observation decks to watch the birds. Meanwhile, I wanna try this Shalala beach. I saw good recommendation. Let's go until there, until the high tide coming here to see the Shalala beach. So this one must be the place. Here is the beach. Let me have a look, 1 minute. I have a look. but it's still low tide here also. It's other side of the island, but not yet. We have the white sand. Looks like this. Yeah, I will go swimming there to Marine Sanctuary. I just wanted to see this one. Otherwise, not bad for sunbathing and enjoying a beach day here. Yes. It was very nice. 3-4 people from South Korea and a couple from Philippines that I met yesterday night. Everybody here snorkeling. Let's go back now. This is Olango Island.